Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4. Lite second generation has just been officially launched globally for those looking for this mobility alternative. This edition of Xiaomi's scooter promises to give good autonomy and is one of its most economical models. This scooter has a foldable design for easier transportation. It can reach a speed of 25 kilometers per hour, so it is not one of the fastest we have seen, but it brings 3 different speed modes. It also includes a walk mode so you can drag it around more easily. In this case, it comes with a 300-watt electric motor and offers a range of 25 kilometers, which is 25% greater than the last generation which offered you 20 kilometers. The battery is 9,600 milliamps and can be charged in approximately 8 hours. It incorporates drum brakes and 10-inch wheels. It has a small display that will show you the speed and battery level. It weighs 16.2 kilograms, which is lighter than the last generation. It also supports a load of 100 kilograms. In this aspect, it remains the same as the last generation. Although this scooter is already on Xiaomi's official global site, its price and availability to buy it have not yet been revealed. But estimating what happened with the last generation, we could say that its price will be around 400 euros. But remember that the prices here are not the same as over there. We will have to wait to know in which regions Xiaomi puts on sale this scooter, since for now it is only on its global site.